Professor Oye, last word in this event.
It's been great days and good science and good entertainment.
Thank you. Professor D'Abreu, in Portuguese.
Português? Ó, por que não? Por que não? Tá? I would like to congratulate with FLOGEN Technology for this event. I think that we are repeating another success. The last was in Turkey, and now here. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. In French.
Faut que je dise en français.
Oui. Muito obrigado.
Est-ce que j'ai le droit d'embrasser toutes les filles et tous les garçons qui sont venus pour...
Okay, he's saying he wants to kiss all the girls, come here. All the girls come on stage. That's what he's saying in French. All the girls, he wants to kiss all the girls here.
But as far as I could see the symposium, that was a real scientific success. The quality of the papers was very good. So it was distributed among many different fields, and it was always very good. And this afternoon we had an outstanding talk by the director of the institute in Ljubljana about what is committed to discovery, and this was really although not scientific, that was a piece of art. So I am extremely happy and thankful to you and to the organizers for taking me to this event. Thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup, Jean-Marie. In Chinese.
No chance. Florian, thank you very much for a wonderful conference. I want also to thank my colleagues from Russia and Canada who dared to venture here and join me. I want to thank you very much. It's been a real pleasure, and it's been wonderful to work together with you. Thank you.
Professor Yagi, in Japanese.
In Japanese, I forgot the Japanese today. Anyway, thank you very much, Dr. Kongoli, and all the people who joined to this symposium. We enjoyed much, and I want to drink much.
Thank you. So, this was the last serious. A round of applause, please, for the last serious moment of the event. A strong one, please. These are the stars of 2016, the real stars, not movie and TV stars. Thank you. Enjoy. If we are enjoying tonight, this is, they deserve a credit. Another round of applause because they have to go back at work. We're still organizing things. A big one, please, a big one. Thank you, great job, thank you.
It's my great honor to serve, so many VIPs like you, and I don't know what to say. So busy on work. Anyway, it's really my great honor to work for the FLOGEN organizations. Hope we can see you later in the beautiful Sanya, and hope your science, can improve the environment and maybe make, the clear air back to Beijing again. Yeah. Thank you.